A Linux distribution, or distro, is an operating system made up of the Linux kernel, GNU tools, libraries, added software, documentation, a window system like X-Window or Wayland, a window manager, and a desktop environment. Popular distros include CentOS, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, RHEL, Fedora, SUSE Linux Enterprise, openSUSE, Debian, Ubuntu, Mandriva, and Mint. Each distro has unique strengths and weaknesses. The bundled software can significantly impact your experience. While you can add components yourself, pre-tested and compiled packages simplify the process. In our course, we'll be using Ubuntu, a user-friendly and popular choice. You can get Linux software either by buying it from a store or downloading it online. With broadband, downloading is quick and practical. Dive into the world of Linux and find the distro that works best for you.